Paul. You've been in the transport industry for quite a few years now. Could you please tell me the importance of buying genuine parts?
Sure. Over the years, I've seen the truck evolve from what it was when I started in the industry to what it is today. And really, there's little resemblance between the two. The materials and the design that is in today's vehicle is very stringent and requires very advanced and complex materials and design. They've got these divergent engineering objectives. We're trying to get more efficient, more powerful engines, using less fuel, meeting ever more stringent environmental restrictions, and that puts a lot of pressure on the material, the components that go together to make that vehicle. And in that sort of demanding environment where you've got fuel delivery systems running at 32,000 psi and after treatment devices running at 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, there's just no room for substandard aftermarket parts. They just don't cut it in today's environment of the components that are required for a modern vehicle. As well as that, you've got all of the safety and comfort features that have developed with today's modern vehicle. Our beautiful Actros truck that won the heavy duty truck segment in the recent Brisbane Truck Show is a great example of that. When you've got all the safety features of attention assist, lane keeping assist, stability control, airbags, brake assist 4, the electronics and computerisation that is required to make all those systems work and keep the driver and the motoring public safe. The aftermarket people really haven't even caught up with that kind of technology. It's so advanced. Luckily, at Daimler Trucks, we have and deal with the very best, the pinnacle of today's premium truck brands.
Are there any other aspects in the transport industry that you've seen evolve for parts?
An enormous growth in remanufactured parts, and that's a benefit for the operators of these vehicles. It enables them to have the surety of the quality and material standards that are required in today's modern vehicle, but often at a much more affordable price. And they have total confidence in their product. They are remanufactured to the same standard as new parts. They carry the same warranty as new parts. So they can have total peace of mind about the dependability of the remanufactured components because it meets such stringent standards and also has the same backing from a warranty point of view as a new part. It's a great benefit for today's heavy transport operators that there's so much of remanufactured parts that we hold to keep the standard where it needs to be, but also keep the cost where they'd like them to be as well. We are always looking for ways to improve our service to our customers so that they can keep their vehicles out on the road making money. And from July 1, our workshops will be open from 7 in the morning till 10 o'clock at night. That's not just for heavy truck, that's for medium truck, vans as well. And we have the right people. Our techs recently won awards at the Brisbane Truck Show. So we have the right people and the right parts and the flexible work hours to accommodate the demands that are on our customers, their operations. And our main focus and a lot of our efforts are geared towards keeping them where they need to be, out running their businesses with their vehicles. We have the right premium products with the right experienced people to keep them operating out on the road, making miles and making money. Daimler Trucks embodies quality and experience equals mobility and profitability. That's what we're all about. And as I said, we only deal in genuine parts because we can see, when we have seen time and time again, that's the only dependable way of keeping your vehicle out on the road where it needs to be.
Great. Thanks very much for your time, Paul.
Most welcome.